Okay, dear students, so without wasting any time, today we are talking about one different concept. It is not subjective. I'm not going to teach you chemistry. And this is a special student orientation that we have organized just to guide you, just to mentor you, just to counsel you regarding your hobby clubs, yeah, hobby classes. Before going to start these hobby clubs, let me speak a little bit about these clubs. There was a time when I was in 9th, 10th class. Then one of our teacher, Roop Singh sir, he was used to talking about karate, boxing, tournament, then NSS, NCC, student uh, organizational club. Then that time we were not understanding that what he is speaking. Okay, and we were not taking him that much seriously. But when we entered into the college, my first year BSc, first year I know 2001. There, one of my very good friend, he was in student politics in ABVP in Kullu College, and I have found him always. He was busy just in this politics and in this type of things, and I was thinking, this person doesn't have any other work. He want to become politician, and that's why he is doing. And he was always talking me about to join this type of group so that you can update yourself, you can keep yourself updated and special. Then in his request, I have joined NSS BSc first year, sorry, NCC, not NSS. And after 2 o'clock in the evening, we used to join that NCC camp weekly, 5 days, Monday to Friday. Our mock drill was start, and I was used to learn some leadership quality, I can say, from this NCC, that how we have to make our life discipline. But due to my science background, I was not used to give full devotion in that NCC, and anyhow, after first year, I need to drop that NCC program. Then in second year, I got better option. I switched myself from NCC to NSS. NSS course is also a 2-year course. Then in second year, I become the member of NSS and National Service Scheme, you can say, which is make the people for social service. And there I love to learn from one of the worthy guru, I can say, that is Mr. A.C. Premi. He was local and he was having special hard corner with me. And after that, when he saw that, I think he saw something special in me, and he made me group leader in final year, and I was the NSS in charge. I still remember the day when I joined state camp, where I selected as a best cadet, best volunteer of NSS due to of some small services. And then after that, the journey start, and today you can feel the difference. I myself, I'm not saying I'm perfect, but myself, I found that I'm not afraid from if anybody is giving me responsibility to become the in charge of this and this group. And I'm not afraid even if I am going to do some social service. Just wait, 1 minute. It is due to network. Okay, so let me continue. Beta, is my screen visible to you properly, or there is some problem?
Sir, something black patches are coming on screen.
Okay, no problem. We will sort out this problem. Now,
Now, okay, sir.
okay. Okay, so why I am giving this my lifetime experience, why I am sharing my lifetime experience with you, dear student, because you are in the same situation where I was in 9th, 10th. Okay, luckily, fortunately, I got opportunity, and I have got the experience of NCC and NSS in my during my students' life. Today I can feel the importance of that time when I learned something. I inculcated some values, some qualities in my personality. So, case I just want that each and everyone, you must put such type of personality development traits in you so that you cannot never fail in future. So by taking this thing in mind, let us start the session. And again, I am telling you, the session is going to be very, very fruitful. I just want one cooperation from you till from the starting to the end. Please be with me, because this is not chemistry again, I am telling, so that I can revise it again and again and it will come in exam. This is much better, yeah, more important than that, because it is about your personality trait. So, welcome to this one-day orientation program on hobby classes and clubs that we have started. Our worthy principal, sir, the moment he joined this school, he promised us, I will bring some organizational club and hobby clubs so that our students should get more and more opportunity. So it is his vision, and today we are going to start. So before that, I would like to welcome our worthy principal, if he is here, our observers, Mrs. Sapna Sharma and Mrs. Lata, and all the teachers, those who have joined here, and my dear students. So welcome. Let us start it with Gayatri Mantra. For that purpose, I would like to ask you to close your eyes and join your hand. Okay, before going to move forward, welcome Kirti. Okay, now you can open, beta, your eyes. So, after Gayatri Mantra, as usual, we are going to start our day with thought of the day. Let us start it with positive mindset. You can see here, okay, Jia will read this, Jia.
A positive attitude will lead to positive outcomes.
Yes. See the meaning of this small thought, but very heavy thought. It is self-explanatory. A positive attitude will lead to positive outcome. Here, it is the first day of your orientation, first day of your club. Here, I just want to take one pledge from you. Like always, whenever we are giving some assignment to someone, we are taking pledge. So let's take the pledge from Dayanand Eco Club. We will always show the positive attitude toward our work. Always, whether we are getting any type of assignment from our leader, from our in charge, from our colleague, from our friends, for the sake of this motherland who is giving us so many things, for the sake of this natural beauty that is making us to live life very beautifully in this motherland, we will always remain positive, we will always show our positive attitude, and we will lead to positive outcomes so that the result will come definitely positive. So with this pledge, let us move forward. Dear students, just think about this, whatever I'm going to appear on the screen. There is 2 mathematical sign. Priyanka, what are these mathematical signs?
The sign of addition and subtraction.
Yes,
Plus
sign
and
of
minus.
addition and subtraction. When our teacher used to taught us in 3rd or 4th class, that time he has not told the value of this sign. He said simply, this is mathematics, and you will get some type of question related to this addition and subtraction. But today, when we reach in this position of the life, where we can see the positive and negative impact of everything, the positive and positivity and negativity, the impact of positivity and negativity in our body, in our attitude, in our personality, it is a huge difference. It creates a huge difference. If you will start taking plus, definitely you will grow toward the zenith, toward the ultimate success of your life. If you will keep on thinking negative, definitely your life is going to be decreased toward the hell. So by taking this thing, I just wish you all will take things positively. You will see all each and every slides very carefully. So here I am going to introduce the name of the club. This is our logo. You can see this is our logo. We have created this logo now. It should be in everybody's notebook. You take screenshot and everybody will draw this logo in your cover page of notebook. This is the name of our club, Dayanand Eco Club DAV Manali. Dayanand, you know very well, we are the founder of Dayanand Saraswati. And then that's why the name of Eco Club is written Dayanand. And it is not a like a familiar Eco Club. This is a professional Eco Club, official Eco Club. We have registered Eco Club. Okay. So let us understand the meaning of Eco first. E is environmental. It is the full form. E is environmental. Over. Then C for cultural and O for organization. Just blend the environment and culture now. Environmental cultural organization is the full form of ECO. Okay. So, introduction is what now? Name of the club is Dayanand Eco Club. Year registration is 2014-2015. It is not new club, okay? It is already there, but we are making now professionally with +2 class. It registered under HIMCOST. HIMCOST is what? It is HP Council for Science, Technology and Environment. Name of the in charge, myself. Name of the assistant in charge, Mrs. Rekha Thakur. For this session. And total students, probably we want 35 to 50, but we have 34. So we will go with the 34. We are getting grant also of ₹5,000 just to run this Eco Club. हम 5,000 की grant भी हमें मिलती है, scholarship मिलती है. That is a big thing. So motto, now everybody will write this motto. I will ask some GK question and after this Google form test I am going to take. Motto is service to our motherland. Service to our motherland. Vision, you can take screenshot and you will write. Vision is the club will be committed toward raising social awareness regarding environmental issues and changing students' attitude toward the environment by enlisting their active participation in clubs. So you all must get ready, must be very active to participate in each and every activity that is related to Eco Club. And our mission is what? Promoting student community. Welcome Nagendra is coming now. And everybody will welcome with them huge clapping, okay? So that they will feel special regard. Promoting student community to be a part of solution, not pollution. Try to understand the mission. Our mission should be promoting student community. More and more students we will join, who will become the part of solution instead of part of pollution. So first thing is that nobody, today you promise, today you take pledge, nobody will be the part of increasing pollution in this. Okay? Screen is visible to you? Screen is okay or it is same?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let us move forward. Now this is about Eco Club program. Eco Club program are running all around the world under one program, beta, one corporation, that is National Green Corporation. मतलब इको क्लब जितने भी स्कूल में चल रहे हैं, that is running under National Green Corporation program. The goal of NGC is to provide opportunity for school children to redirect their consciousness and action to create a more sustainable planet through novel educational approaches and experiences. Students are taught to go into the issues in depth. You know very well, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam always, he was promoting this, advocating this, students are the future of the world. Students are the future of the country. Youth are the future of the country. So you are youth, you are students. If you will inculcate these values among you, so definitely our country, that will become the most beautiful part of this world, pollution free, eco-friendly. So you have to take this responsibility. Okay? So the objectives of program are, first objective, we need to impart knowledge to school children through hands-on experiences about their immediate environment, interaction within it, and the program therein. कोई भी program चला हो तो बच्चों की participation that must be there. Student must have knowledge what we are doing, then only you can participate. To develop request skill of observation, experimentation, survey regarding analysis and reasoning for conserving of the environment. I don't think so. As a science student, I should tell you what are the what are the basic steps to develop any skill. First, you need observation. You observe how those NGOs, those environmental organizations are doing work in your surrounding, in your country. And you need to do that experiment in your area. You need to follow the same. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, he has started the program Clean India, Green India, Clean Ganga, Clean Ganga program. Similar way, we can run such type of activities in our own areas by keeping this thing in mind: Clean Manali, Green Manali. We will experiment that. We will survey it. Many of the students, they have participated in the survey report. There, what we were doing, same we were doing. We were surveying ground level reality. We were knowing whether whether the people are changing in our surrounding or not. Then we will keep record. After recording, we will analyze. If it is improved, your work has done. If not improved, we have to restart again. And we need to find the reason. So this is also one of the criteria. This is our objective. We will work like this to inculcate proper attitude toward the environment and its conservation through community interaction. You don't have to see anyone whether he is doing this work or not. You start first. I am very much sure people will run behind you. Many people will come behind you to do the same thing. To sensitize children to issue related environment. Nowadays, you know what is most sensitive issue related to Corona. If we will not keep our surrounding clean, the Corona may impact more. It can spread more fast. Okay, so this is also the duty of Eco Club students, to motivate and stimulate young minds by involving them in action projects related to environmental conservation. Once I have taken you to the GV Pant Mahal, there you met to some scientists. Those scientists were working. They were doing research on environmental issues. Okay, pollution level kitna hai air mein, water mein kitna hai. If they will not do research, then maybe the drastic conditions of this area or this place will be not so far. So like this way, you people also has to work. So these are the basic objectives. I am telling again, take each and every slide screenshot. You must note down this in your notebook. Okay, now about NGC and Eco Club. What is the relation between National Green Corporation and Eco Club? Basically, this is the National Green Corporation is a program that launched by Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change, Government of India. They have started this program especially for schools in HP in 2001 to inculcate environmental awareness among school, college children and to involve them for carrying out environment related activities through Eco Club. Under this program, on an average, 250 Eco Clubs in the school have been set up in every district of all state UT. And we are lucky, we are the part of those 250 Eco Clubs. Our school is one of the important club in that 250 Eco Clubs in Himachal, okay? So feel proud. And all Kendriya Vidyalayas, Navodaya Vidyalayas, school affiliated to CBSE and ICSE are also participating in the program. And in Manali, I think, if I will talk about the private schools, so our school is the only who has registered with this National Green Corporation program. That's why we are getting grant of 5,000. After this, Himachal Pradesh Council of Science, Technology and Environment as a nodal agency has established 3,000 Eco Club. After this successful 250 Eco Club, then Himachal Pradesh INCOST, that nodal agency has started establishing many Eco Clubs in every corner of the school, in every corner of the Himachal. So 3,000 Eco Club and 100 colleges are there right now registered. Within that, we are also. Now, how the Eco Club will function? Functioning and role of Dayanand Eco Club. These are the functions of Eco Club. We will celebrate each special days related to environment, and we are celebrating already. We need to do once a year plantation. Whether right now we are at home, you are at home, you are not in school, otherwise we were doing always once the plantation. So today, during this week, which is the next 1 week, which is vacation, monsoon vacation for you, everybody will plant one tree. It is not the tree only Devadar. You can plant any tree. You can plant any type of tree which is giving oxygen, which is providing oxygen, which is good for our environment, and you will take photograph and you will send it to me also. This is your first target. To make our campus neat and clean. So our campus is neat and clean because you are not coming from 1.5 years. Okay, but question is that whether your home is clean or not. That is also campus. So you need to take care if your surrounding in your village, if there are some dark, some area where garbage is there which is not clean, so take initiation. Take some 10 to 15 friends together and start cleaning that garbage from that area. Definitely whole village will praise you. They will ask you from which school you are. Okay. To make our campus neat and clean, I already told, participate in every competition that is organized by INCOST, and you are participating, but some of the students I have seen, they are not taking any interest in the participation. So for them also. Apply 4R principle. This is the biggest principle. Recycle, reuse, recover, reduce. This should be in our body, not only in mind. Wherever you are going, these 4R principle you take with you. Recycle, reuse, recover, reduce, and you know very well what you have to do. Okay? So this is a second assignment for you. You take 1 day, you decide 1 day out of these 7-8 days holidays, and you have to make one small project. Project mean activity you have to do, where either you can do recycle, reuse, recover or reduce. कुछ भी करो आप, चाहे reduce करो, कुछ चाहे recover करो, चाहे reuse करो, चाहे recycle करो, और उसका आपको मुझे proof देना है. Okay, next is benefits of Dayanand Eco Club to our student. Now, what is benefit to you? Maybe you are thinking, sir is speaking us to do this, that, this. But what is our benefit? Ultimately, your benefit only. The Eco Club activities help to educate the student about their environment. That is also, I think you are a senior most class. Most of you know very well. Some of the students are there, those who are throwing garbage in the night in the nearby stream. छुप छुप के जाते हैं, वो फेंकते हैं कूड़ा. They need to take care. to create a clean and green consciousness among students through various innovative methods. It helped to mobilize students towards scientific inquiry, and you can take screenshot and you can find out, because different students can find out different meaning if they will read themselves. If I will speak, so the meaning will only transfer the way I am going to speak. Now this is our calendar. You can go through the calendar. It is very clearly mentioned here. The calendar is there. July month, students orientation, which is going on right now. August month, know your Manali. Now I have done what? This year, first we need to understand the environment of our own Manali. When you will understand Manali, then Kullu. September month is our theme Kullu. October month is theme Himachal. November month is theme India. December month is theme Clean India, Green India program. And January month theme is Earth, our motherland. February, we will talk about the different habitat. Is it clear? So with the time, we will explain and we will do it in detail. Next, this is the month of July and August. This is very important. Saturday, 22nd July, that is today, it is introduction of club and the same presentation and registration of the student also. In this day, we will do group formation. After this, I'm going to frame some group. So you will be the internal group of this club. Then first Saturday, which is there, when is first Saturday? Yes, when is
7th August.
It means that you are here, but some of the students are not here. That's why I'm asking question. Stay only here. I'm asking in the last Google form test I'm taking. 7th August, know our Manali, presentation and talk on core issues related to Manali. So you have to take care. 7th August, before 7th August, you must have ample experiences, ample examples that these are the things that happen in Manali and how we can correct it. 14th August, celebration of Independence Day. 21st August, review presentation by student. Beta, here group wise competition will be there. Here you will talk. Here group wise you will talk. From there, here you will select, and the best top 5 students that will be select for final round. Here it will be presentation on mega event that some chief guest we will call. It can be Minister Govind Singh Thakur. Okay, so please, you need to prepare such type of presentation that will be very, very informative and interesting. Here, student will be awarded also. Clear? So it seems very excited, but I don't know how much interest you will take. Now core committee, take screenshot. I framed some core committee. My name is Ravi Kumar, in charge of this club. Then assistant in charge is Rekha Thakur. Then student in charge. Here I have created one student in charge, Master Rajat Mahant. If he is present, you will say yes, sir. Those who are present, Rajat Mahant, you are student in charge.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Assistant in charge is Miss Bandana. Student record in charge, Miss Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Here one separate notebook you have to keep. Whatever meeting, whatever presentation we are taking, you will note down this and you will send the photograph to me. Okay. And when you will come to school, you will take signature. You will show it to me. And name of the secretary, Miss Uma Basti. Priyanka and Uma, it is your duty. If anything we are going to purchase, your purchasing committee, you are also member of the purchasing committee with me. Okay, we are going to purchase, and that record also will be. Member of the group. Now here certain groups I have created, like see, group A is Devdar, group B is Vyas, group C name is Monal, group D name is Dedron, group E name is Marigold, and these all names are very famous actor, actress, right? These names are actor, actress of Bollywood movie or not?
No, sir.
What is this?
Sir,
What is this? Fast. We have 6 minutes only. These are the names.
Rename.
Own Himachal, our own state, our own district. Okay. So now, although our club is Dayanandiko Club, but internally inside the Dayanandiko Club, there are certain small group, subgroup also. That is Devdar, Vyas, Monal, Dedron, and Marigold. leader I have given. So internal leader, I will ask leader now only. I will not ask whole group if any assignment has given to you. And it is sort of competition also, internal competition, intra competition it is. And your group will be, best group will be nominated in the last in annual function and will be awarded on Pratibha Saman Samaroh program. Okay. असिस्टेंट लीडर राज शर्मा, जिया ठाकुर असिस्टेंट लीडर का काम है कि वो ग्रुप की रिकॉर्ड को मेंटेन करेंगे. अब माय रिकॉर्ड इज मेंटेनिंग बाय प्रियंका. सिमिलर वे दी स्टूडेंट विल मेंटेन द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ देयर ओन ग्रुप. इट इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन इंचार्ज एंड द सर्टन मेंबर्स आर देयर. ऑल हैव टू डू द वर्क विद पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, with the coordination, with the teamwork. So I hope you have noted down your group member name and everything, or you have taken screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move forward. Achievement of Dayanand Eco Club. Yes. बेटा ये जो पिक्चर आप देख रहे हो, NGC program in Himachal Pradesh, this is 3000 schools record. And I remember in 2016-17 when Suji sir were the principal, we recognized in this NGC program, we got top 50 schools who are doing very good work in Eco Club. I was the same member in charge, and these are the student cleanliness camp at Ban Bihar, and this is the see in their magazine. Our school name was there. You can recognize here two smart people. Okay, one handsome boy also here, and that team who was doing work. Celebration of World Environment Day. Okay, similar way. This is the remark that I got in 2019. We got in 2019 by our naam same hai, Ravi Sharma. His name was also same. But he was the state coordinator of HIMCOS Shimla, and he has appreciated our work. See, the DAV school is actively associated with Eco Club activities. The reporting part is also good. And the activity is not to horn. One program, one campaign we started was performed in better way in Manali town. I wish all the best for future activities. Keep environment clean and green. And आपके लिए एक छोटा सा note हो सकता है, but for me it is a very big achievement for our school, because out of 3000 school where very good school, मतलब बहुत high level के school थे. If name is coming DAV Manali, तो already it is a proud moment for us. So congratulations to you all for this. Now this is, you can see how journey is. The sound is audible or not?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
Then enjoy it.
Healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air and the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. United with friends, I promise to keep it. United with friends, I will love the land. United with friends, I'll be a defender. I will save the
Wait. So let's come to save our motherland together. Thanks a lot. That's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed the thoroughly. So dear student, now every Saturday we will meet, okay? Every Saturday, and I want same participation today. That is very good. Out of 34, 33 participants are there. So now this is all about the organization club. Thank you very much. Now you can leave. And once again, in the end, I would like to thank each one of you, those who were patiently listening to me. Thank you.